Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the latest Beauty Loop Level 2 box, so let's get into it. So this is the October box, and I'm so excited. What have we got in here? First, we have something very exciting. It is a Glow Recipe product. It is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I'm very excited to have this because I've received a few sachet samples in the past and I really liked the product, but because it's not something that I could really afford to buy the full size of, because it's probably better for oily skin, and as someone with dry skin, this is something that I would probably use every now and then rather than regularly. So to be given the travel size in here is kind of perfect, because that means I don't have to go out and buy the full size, and it's a size where I'm still gonna use like enough of it where it's not like too big, and it's like, wow, it's really like glass, and it's really good actually. This is a very nice sample to receive. Like, this is full like heavy glass. Like, wow, that's such an exciting product to receive. Next, we have a Shiseido product. Now, this is also a really decent size sample. It is the Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. So I'm going to assume it's a moisturizer. I know Shiseido is a very nice brand, and that's a really decent size sample to receive. So yeah, that's also really exciting. Next, we have a sample from Kiehl's. It is a Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. So I'm not sure how that works. I'm sure I can read all the instructions. Let's open it. How do you open it? Oh, I have to tear the box. And there's a little vial of a solution. I'm going to say that you put it on the dark spots on your face and it'll help to remove them over time, I'm going to assume. So yeah, that's a very interesting product to receive. I haven't really tried much from Kiehl's, so it'll be fun to give it a go. We also have a Clinique product. This is the Clinique Lash Power Mascara. That's really fun to receive some makeup in the box. I haven't really tried much from Clinique, so it'll be fun to give this one a go as well. I love receiving mini mascaras because it means I never have to buy mascara. I've always got some. And we have a fifth product. It is the Tom Ford Bitter Peach. I think it's like a perfume. I've heard very good things about Tom Ford fragrances. They're very expensive. And yeah, it's just the little sprayer size. I love that it has a spray and it's not just a vial of oil. But yeah, I've heard very much like good things about the bitter fragrances. So yeah, that one is going to be exciting to give a go. It definitely smells like a mature woman rather than a young lady, I guess you could say. But yeah, that is everything in the box. So looking at everything we got, this was actually a really good box this quarter. We got a bonus. I think this one was the bonus for level 2 and level 3. Very excited that we got that. I would have really loved to have bought the full size. So the fact that now I don't have to, because I didn't want the full size, but I still wanted the moisturizer in my bathroom. So that's kind of like the perfect solution for me. The fragrance is nice to try, like a really high-end fragrance that actually has a spray and it's not just a vial of oil. The mascara will be fun to try. I've not really tried Shiseido, so the fact that we've gotten a really decent size moisturizer sample is really great. And the Kiehl's dark spot solution is also pretty interesting. So yeah, definitely a better box this quarter. It's a big thumbs up from me on this one. Please let me know what you got in your box this quarter. Did you get what I got? Did you get something different? Are you a level 1 or a level 3? I'd love to know what you got in yours. And yeah, let's have a conversation in the comments. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next quarter. Bye guys.